All right, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw an eye. So I would like for you to try 3 of these in your sketchbook, trying to go along kind of the same steps that you see here. Once you get to the value and the shading of the eye, you're going to have to train yourself to look for the dark tones, the medium, and the lighter. I've got blending stumps as well if you need those up on the supply table. So we're going to start with kind of this guide circle. And then there's a smaller circle within that. So notice that the corners of the eyes, one goes all the way out to the outer edge and one goes barely, kind of like right in between the two. So there's the corner going to my outside circle. Just gonna dip down. Connect. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw the iris. Notice how the iris goes above the eye line that we drew here. Go ahead and go above that line. And then go ahead and draw my pupil. And then we've got the eyelid going up out here. Okay, so now we're at this step. We need to start adding our value and our shading. So here, that white little circle or oval is going to be where the light is reflecting. I'm going to go ahead and shade this in as dark as I can. So I like to start by looking for all of my darkest values. I'm going to go ahead and add dark around iris, and then I like to add dark values in the corners, and then I'm just going to basically outline this line that I've already drawn. This is going to create a shadow on the eyelid, and then I'm going to look here and they're almost like triangles in the corners, so that's going to make the eyeball look round, like there's depth going back. And I'm going to add kind of a medium tone towards the bottom lid, on the bottom lid. And I'm going to look up here is more of a medium tone, here is much lighter. So I'm going to go ahead and shade medium tone up top. It's going to be much lighter on this side. And try to kind of blend those a little bit. And then here are dark values again. So those are just creating shadows where the eyelid falls. And then I can add a little, some light medium tones here. I've kind of got an outline. Just be a little bit darker. Okay, now I'm going to use my blending stump. Blend this so it's not just a drastic fall. Smooth this out. Now you're ready to add your eyelashes. So what I like to do is draw lines coming from this dark line here. And mine are not all the same size and shape. So that would be kind of my first practice eye. I want you to do this process 3 times.